I've brown seasoned them and I'm going to just fry them. So I'm gonna make them ready by frying them. Cover the pot, bottom of the pot. Okay, that should be enough. Add flavor to the oil.
Your employer can't change your role, hours, or duties. You may be entitled to full severance pay. Always check with the employment lawyer first at employmentlawyer.ca. If your long-term disability claim is denied, schedule a appeal. Appeals often fail with insurance companies to go the process. So to appeal, you're playing by their rules. You should never appeal the denial of your disability benefits. Appeals are just a mirage of falsehood. Don't. That's their process. Take it out of their hands and fight for your rights without help. Go to disabilityrights.ca. Discover your rights. Fight back and get what you're owed.
Okay, so I have oil from the fish. I'm just gonna use some of that. Use some of that. Okay, so I have onions, so I'm gonna stir fry onions here. Crushed garlic. Yeah. Okay, so just let that cook. Okay. Carrots. Dried thyme. Water, about half a cup of water. Let that cook. Let the carrots cook. Okay. So we're going to add green onions. Half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm going to do a spicy teriyaki chili. So I'm going to add that to my sauce. So let's do 2 tablespoons. So taste it, make sure it's what you're looking for. So if you like it to be thicker, you can have some cornstarch, and that will make it thick. So make sure you have enough sauce to serve the amount of fish that we have. So just let this come to a boil, and then we turn the flame off. Place the fish in the sauce. cover this. Okay, so there we have it, guys. Our spicy Thai chili fish. I'm gonna turn the flame off after 2 minutes. So we've peeled our potatoes and we've washed them. Now I'm just going to dice them so that they boil faster. So okay, so I'm gonna add this to a pot of water with some salt in it and boil until soft. Right. So we can add our potatoes to our water. It's hot.
We have to fix the portions. That's it. If you've been watching this show, I want you to subscribe and become part of the family. We are on a journey of changing the lives of people on this channel. And we appreciate you for being here. But if you haven't become part of the family, let's be honest. Hit the subscribe button. And let's have a conversation. Slowly, for the possibility of you using your money very low. It's not, the possibility is very low. Not that it can't happen. But so far in Ghana, we have not seen this happen. So we call this to low risk. Okay, before you move out the ladder, if I put my money in any of these two,
Add a tablespoon of salt. So add garlic.
Buy shares in some of these companies as an option. Then again, as you go into that, you can understand the market. Don't go and invest in shares with the mindset of fixed income. Present low fixed deposit at fixed income. It means that it is 10%, you are sure of 10%. It's not for it. Shares is based on the market condition. It is the company deciding that will perform. The company can even make profit.
Okay. We're gonna add some chopped diced onion to our potatoes. Just add it to the hot water so that you don't lose the crunch. And cover it for a minute, turn the flame off, and just let it. You don't want to cook them, you just want to add some flavor, a little bit of texture, crunch. After you drain all the water, you want to add butter, a lot of butter. And you want to add that to the potatoes. Just let it sit there for a minute and melt. I like a lot of butter in my mashed potatoes. I'm gonna add some more butter. Okay. Alright, so our butter is melted. I'm just gonna go in and mash this potato. Mash.
I'm also making some